wins in a row in all competitions sees Wolves arrive at the home of the champions in buoyant mood, especially after
bombing down the left for City straight away. Faced up by Ince, by Núñez to Grealish, and he'll head for the dead ball line here. Just didn't reach Doku. Onto that in a flash. Back for Grealish. Now Doku took it well, took it beautifully. Jeremy Doku opens the scoring inside 5 minutes, and I'm afraid to say that Watford are the authors of their own downfall there. You wondered if they might have got away with it. City had other ideas.
And that's the danger. You're moving the ball around. City are excellent on the press. They know what's coming. They let a particular person have the ball. They have little traps and triggers. When the press comes, short pass, McAtee does very, very well.
To Bar. 4 Watford players up in this attack. Yeah, Grealish almost as if he's just swatted. Shaped to go one way, went the other, and it's his ball. And it's paid off for them here as Bar advances. Back by O'Reilly to Stones. Doku. Lovely ball in, and just couldn't quite take that in his stride.
Body to fill with the absence of Rodri. He's got the ability to pass it.
That's a good try. He won it back well. Matheus Núñez is at breakneck speed. Foden taking on young Braithwaite. Oh, that's superb play! But he's been penalised for a foul on Braithwaite. Bar. That's an interesting one. Lewis has squeezed it through to Foden. We've seen him bend them in from there many a time. Disallowed Bar effort. Seeking out Doku. Grealish. Couldn't Grealish. Oh, he's done well against Ebosele there. Porteous though nicked it. There's that familiar drop of the shoulder from the Belgian. Foden. Oh, defender and goalkeeper collide because that was such a glorious ball in. Porteous and Bonds. Community Shield as a substitute. This is his second senior appearance. Doku against Larousse. Corner delivered. Didn't quite reach Foden. It does reach Doku. And the ricochet favours Bond, who apologises for the giveaway. Oh, he was caught in possession there, loser. Here's Foden. That's a foul. Foden into the wall. Taking the direct approach. That's just been kept in by Larousse.
Recently, when they had more possession in that change of a back three, this is how Watford have...
Braithwaite did well there. He's found Grealish. Nicely done, Lewis. Matheus Núñez. Well, that's brilliant. Watford thought they'd done enough, but Matheus Núñez found the gap. And how he needed that. His first goal for Manchester City on his 34th appearance for the club. It's 2-0.
Score by number 27.
There's his pace, how he got quick out. Rico Lewis starting that off, that little give and go around the corner. Probably thought he was going to get it back.
Oh, what a great ball.
About it.
Doku. Spreading it to Larousse. As we move into stoppage time at the end of the half. Oh, there was the chance they've been waiting for. Beautiful. Straight into the action, Savinho finding Lewis. Wide by Lewis to Savinho. Straight at Josh. Lewis, delightful flick. And Foden sees his effort blocked by Ogbonna. Behind it goes for a corner. Ebosele. Just a little lean from Matheus Nunes. He got Grealish in possession. Rolled square. Gets it back again. Grealish. Off Port. Goes over. We play on. It's Foden. Well blocked. And Foden's Grealish. McAtee. Oh, what a ball. Begging for someone to... Nicely done by Grealish. Beautifully done. Foden. Blocked by Ogbonna again.
You see.
Well, the City bench is frightening. On to Grealish. Matheus Nunes. That's excellent defending from Ogbonna. That's the sort of... Danny Bashiru. Nicely taken there by Matheus Nunes. Good stop. Grealish. Faced by McAtee. Gets the cross in towards Ogbonna. And the strike is from Imran Louza. A chance for Lewis. And again, Savinho. Oh, fantastic clearance off the line. Nunes. Ebesele is up there with him. Challenge. The rest of the support is not really arriving. Past Sema. Lifted up towards... Trying to bamboozle Ken Sema. And onto the roof of the net with what was a cross. Grealish. Matheus Nunes! All the way into the penalty area, Savinho. Oh. Foden lets the ball run across his body and drives forward. Beaten away by Bond this time. Wouldn't fall for McAtee. O'Reilly. That third goal just won't come for... Coming back on his left side this time, actually heads for the byline this time. Oh, Grealish! Brilliant stop. Well, that was excellent decision-making from Savinho and Grealish.